5:20 to go in the power play. Coughlin has 4 power play goals. Leads all AHL defensemen. He goes side of the net. McKenzie tried to return it. Broken up by Hicketts. Kept up. Here's McGinn out in front. He shoots. He scores! Ty McGinn breaks the deadlock, and the Wolves lead 1-0.
Excellent shot. Quickly released.
Alvinus slipping it into the middle of his own zone. Pahal will clear for Quinney. The Wolves in transition. Quinney finds Schultz down the slot. Fires! He scores! Justin Schultz with a gem. His 3rd of the year, and it's 2-0 Chicago. Coughlin connecting to Waugh. He was shouldered down by Seider. Loose to McKenzie. Chipped into the slot. Here's Magna. He shoots. He scores! Jacob Magna on a setup from McKenzie. Pulls the coverage. They'll clear. Goulburn's hustle forces Pickard to play the puck. That negates an icing, and now moving in. McKenzie shoots. He scores!
Much needed hard work. Never let them set up. Good job. Oh, here we go.
A steal by McKenzie. Looking for 4 points. He scores! Have yourself a game, Curtis McKenzie. 2 goals, 2 assists, 5-2 Wolves.